Hi there, greetings of the day. My name is Abhishek Bernard and I would just like to tell a little bit about myself. My experience in the fourth year of English has been great and I'm fortunate enough to be associated with big brands. Now I have been working over here for 25 years as I told you, and I have been into different categories of teaching, anywhere from basics to advanced. At the same time, students of IELTS who have been clearing their exams or tests with good bands, and they are now in abroad, even to that extent that they are working with cruises. I would also like to tell you that English today is not a status symbol but a plight. So we all have to learn it to the best. Grab this knowledge. This is what I have been doing. And there are different aspects of English where I personally feel that every student should groom in, be it reading, writing, listening, or speaking. It's very, very important for each and every one of you to grab this great language. I have been doing it and have a wonderful experience interacting with almost more than 5,000 students for more than 25 years now. It's been going great. And I wish all the very best to all my students. Do work on your vocabulary, be confident enough, and be the master of the language. Have a lovely day ahead. Thank you.